Oh yes, we get a lot of inquiries about performance challenges with Magento. We now know for a fact that slow page load is among the biggest obstacles to online revenue. So it's a common concern, and for a good reason. How long do we have?
90 seconds.
Oh, 90 seconds. Okay, I'll name a few basic steps in a nutshell. The first thing I want to mention is code optimization. The code itself must be examined for efficiency. By recording and testing all code processes, you can identify exactly which processes are slowing down your system. Then you can decide either to drop the process if you don't need it, or if you can, optimize the code. Briefly, caching means that you use pre-stored copies of your web pages, so when users access your website, they can view those pre-stored copies instead of going through the process of recreating the pages through database calls or code functionalities. Caching is a great way to improve site performance if you use the right caching tools and if you implement them correctly. Magento itself comes with various built-in tools that are designed to help with speeding up the site. Tools like CSS and JavaScript merging, compilation, flat catalog. All those are possible ways to improve site performance. You just need to make sure that you configure them correctly. Correct hosting and server configuration are important factors as well. Obviously, if your hardware isn't sufficient in capacity or the server isn't configured correctly, you will encounter serious performance problems. Last thing I want to mention is autoscaling. Autoscaling basically means that the system dynamically allocates resources according to the real-time traffic conditions. So for example, in the holiday season, where traffic is high, the system will allocate more processing power, and when traffic is low, it will automatically reduce capacity. That way you can achieve high availability when you really need it without wasting expensive resources.